Do you want to get a body better than 99% of men? Welcome, friends, to a fitness revolution. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Today, we're embarking on a journey to a healthier, stronger, and more confident you. This isn't just another fitness video, oh no. We're here to provide a comprehensive guide to achieving a physique that's not just good, but great. Now, the secret to true fitness isn't just about lifting weights or counting calories, it's about an integrated approach. It's about understanding the connection between nutrition and exercise, the balance of rest and effort, and the power of a positive mindset. We're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of what makes a truly fit body, from the foundations of muscle growth to the blueprint of a balanced diet. We're here to help you break free from the monotony of repetitive workouts and diet plans. Ready to begin the journey to a better body? Let's dive in. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Well, it's true. Nutrition is the cornerstone of physical fitness, the building block that shapes our bodies. It's not just about cutting calories or avoiding carbs, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to help it perform at its peak. Now let's talk about a balanced diet. It's like a symphony, with each nutrient playing a critical part in the concert of your health. Your body needs a mix of proteins, carbs, and fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals. There's no one-size-fits-all diet, but the key is to fill your plate with a colorful variety of whole foods. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And let's not forget protein. It's the body's building block, essential for muscle growth and repair. Every time you hit the gym, you're breaking down your muscles. Protein helps rebuild them, stronger and leaner. Aim for lean sources like chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins. But what's the point of eating right if you're not hydrating properly? Water plays a vital role in every bodily function. It helps transport nutrients, regulates body temperature, and even lubricates your joints. So keep that water bottle close by, especially during workouts. Now, on to the less fun part. Avoiding junk food. Fast food, sugary drinks, and processed snacks are often high in empty calories and low in nutrients. They're like the villains in our body's superhero story, hindering our progress towards a better body. So if you're serious about your fitness, it's time to say goodbye to these culprits. In conclusion, a healthy diet isn't a short-term fix. It's a lifelong commitment to your well-being. It's about making better choices every day at every meal. Remember, nutrition lays the foundation for your fitness journey. Your workouts might shape your body, but it's what you eat that truly defines it. Now that we've laid the foundation with nutrition, it's time to build with exercise. Imagine your body as a construction project. Your nutrition is the concrete base, and exercise is the framework that gives it shape and structure. There are three main pillars to this framework: strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. Strength training is your scaffolding. It builds muscle and bone density, and it's crucial if you want to see definition and tone in your physique. Think of it as the steel beams that give a building its strength and resilience. Next, we have cardio or aerobic exercise. This is your building's ventilation system, improving the flow of oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. It's essential for heart health and boosts your overall stamina, ensuring that your newly built structure can withstand the pressures of everyday life. The final pillar is flexibility exercises, the insulation that keeps everything in place. This includes activities like stretching and yoga. Flexibility exercises help to prevent injuries, improve posture, and increase your range of motion. It's the finishing touch that ensures your building is not only strong and efficient but also well-rounded and adaptable. But how do we put these pillars into place? The answer lies in two key principles: consistency and progressive overload. Consistency is the work crew that shows up every day, rain or shine. It doesn't matter how perfect your blueprint is if the work isn't getting done. So make a schedule and stick to it. Progressive overload is the project manager, always pushing for a little bit more. It's about gradually increasing the amount of weight you lift, the distance you run, or the intensity of your workouts. This principle ensures that your body continues to adapt, grow, and improve. So, there you have it, the blueprint of a better body. It's not about quick fixes or miraculous transformations. It's about putting in the work, day by day, consistently challenging yourself, and pushing your limits. Exercise is the blueprint that shapes your better body, so make it a priority. You've got your nutrition down, you're exercising regularly, but there's still a crucial piece of the puzzle missing: your mindset. Your mindset, folks, is arguably the most crucial part of your journey to a better body. A positive mindset is not about pretending that everything is perfect. It's about approaching your health and fitness journey from a place of willingness and readiness to confront challenges, and being open to learning and growing from those experiences. Imagine this. You've set a goal to lose 20 pounds in 3 months. You're eating right, and you've been dedicated to your workout routine. But 2 months in, you've only lost 10 pounds. How do you react? Do you let disappointment overcome you, throw in the towel and revert to your old habits? Or do you reassess your goals, make necessary adjustments, and continue to push forward? That's where a positive mindset comes in. It helps you set realistic goals, stay motivated, and handle setbacks with grace. It is this mindset that helps you understand that progress is not always linear, and that every little step counts. This journey to a better body isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires perseverance, resilience, and patience. Each day, each workout, each healthy meal, they all add up. And it's the consistency of these small actions that leads to big changes. The importance of resilience cannot be overstated. There will be days when you feel like giving up, when the results seem too slow, or the journey too hard. But remember, resilience is all about bouncing back. It's about pushing through the tough days, the plateaus and the setbacks, and coming out stronger on the other side. And finally, stay motivated. Keep your eyes on the prize. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Was it to feel healthier, to look better, or to simply prove to yourself that you could? Hold on to that. Let it fuel your journey. Your mindset is the key that unlocks the door to a better body. So gear up, stay positive, resilient, and motivated. Your better body awaits. Now that we've covered nutrition, exercise, and mindset, it's time to put it all together. So what exactly have we learned today? Right off the bat, we dove into the importance of nutrition, highlighting how it's not just about eating less, but eating right. We emphasized how essential it is to fuel your body with the right nutrients: lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. We underlined that it's not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter choices. From there, we moved on to exercise, where we debunked the myth that spending endless hours at the gym is the only way to get fit. We stressed the importance of a balanced fitness routine that combines strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. We reminded you that it's not about who lifts more weights or who runs faster, but about consistently challenging your body and pushing your limits. And then, we took a deep dive into the mindset, arguably the most critical aspect of all. We discussed how it's not just about physical strength but mental fortitude. We talked about setting realistic goals, staying motivated, and not letting setbacks deter you from your path. But remember, these 3 aspects, nutrition, exercise, and mindset, are not standalone elements. They're interconnected pieces of a larger puzzle. You can't prioritize one over the others. To truly get a body better than 99% of men, you need to integrate all 3. It's about creating a lifestyle that's sustainable, enjoyable, and beneficial for your overall health and well-being. In the end, it all comes down to this. It's not about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about consistency, hard work, and determination. It's about making small changes every day that eventually lead to big results. With the right nutrition, exercise, and mindset, you're well on your way to getting a body better than 99% of men. Start your journey today, and remember, the only bad workout is the one you didn't do. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Your feedback is our guiding star. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.